subject of today's video is how to start a successful affiliate marketing business. The 6 most important beginning steps to take. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and also subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50%, sometimes as high as 80% of the sales price, by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do your research first. Okay, becoming an affiliate. In the beginning, sell what you know. To start, you should stick to selling products or services that you are familiar with. Online marketers often call this process picking your niche. You should select a niche that represents your current interest or your occupation. For example, if you're an expert at interior decorating, it makes more sense to sell comforter sets than it does to sell automotive parts. You'll do a much better job with your individual marketing efforts if you stick to selling what you know. The test here is, can you write at least 6 blog articles based on your own knowledge of the product or service in the niche you choose? Second, start a website relevant to your niche. Before becoming an affiliate, many companies will want to know the URL of the website that you use to sell their products. They do this because they want to ensure that the content on the website won't hurt the company's reputation. Or you can join one of the affiliate programs listed below and use one of their pre-built websites. It's easy to start a website these days thanks to sites like WordPress.com. That's WordPress.com. Be sure to add content to your website that isn't salesy. You want your site to come across as an authority in your niche. Next, research affiliate programs. Find an affiliate program that offers product or services in your niche. Amazon sells just about everything, so it's likely that your niche includes products sold on Amazon. That's a good place to start if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing. However, Amazon pays very low commissions, and I personally would not recommend it. You can also look at sources like Commission Junction. CommissionJunction.com is another great option because it allows you to become an affiliate for countless companies that you already know about. For example, Overstock, Office Depot, Boscov's, and many others. Another great source to find affiliates is Clickbank Marketplace. That's clickbank.com, and inside clickbank.com they have Clickbank Marketplace. Is yet another option that many affiliate marketers like. That's because the commissions from companies on that site can be very lucrative, up to 70-80%. Another way to find affiliate programs is to do a simple Google search of your niche. Then click on anything that looks promising and see if they offer an affiliate program, which can be quickly found at the bottom of that main web page that you click to, where they have their contact info. Next, join an affiliate program. It's almost always free of charge to join an affiliate program. In fact, if you're being asked for a credit card number just to become an affiliate, you might be getting scammed, so do your research. Most reputable companies that offer affiliate programs allow people to become affiliates free of charge. You will, however, be asked for bank account or PayPal information. Keep in mind that's not so the company can take money away from you, but so they can pay you the commission you earn with successful sales. You'll be asked for the URL of your website in some cases. Just provide the URL of the website that you created above. Marketing your affiliate products. Create a niche website and start a blog and add the affiliate links to your content. Or do YouTube and or TikTok videos on your niche product or service and add the links where allowed. Next, open a Facebook account or repurpose your Facebook account that you might already have and dedicate it to your niche product or service and add the affiliate links where allowed. Next, advertise on Google Ads, but start with a small budget, $10, not more than $15 a day. I have several YouTube videos on that subject, and others have many YouTube videos on how to advertise on Google Ads. And finally, the most important step is to get help from a well-known, well-established, and highly successful affiliate marketing coach. Now, the simplest and the best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown. Devin is Devon Brown, and his 12-minute affiliate system. You can find his link below. The best Google ad and Clickbank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business, just like the others that I mentioned. And Anthony has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million awards to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's Complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison or John Crestani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.